Damn, alright? The same kind of distance since Jonah left.
I'm alright, you know. I just have to go look for my grandmother because she act up again.
You want me to come with you?
I go on it from now. She very rude. Like, seriously rude. And she can be very disrespectful.
You forget who my wanna be? Me alright, man. Me can manage her.
Jesus Christ, this place is a mess.
Diana, the light not turn on, you know. She pay the light bill.
Shit, the place stink.
Diana, you all for clean up or something? Because I'm pretty sure there's rotten meat in the fridge.
Diana, what you do ya? A Daniel send you. I tell him I'm alright. Tally gone a market. He might deal with some stuff for me. So I just stay here.
Grandma, you forgot to admit no, so something's not right. I mean, 1 minute you're in and 1 minute you're out.
Sebastian, cold drink no man? It doesn't make cleaning way more fun, trust me.
Wait there. What you know about drinking? You drink? Since when? I never see you drink yet, Karima. What? Yeah, idea hotness.
Want him ever acts. But I want to speed this up first. And when you drink, you don't think about nothing and you get the job done.
May I play some music on my phone?
Grandma, I feel like you need to go get some professional help.
But what? What me look like to you? Me never married a day in my life.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces.
Diana, it will be fun like your friend then. Yeah, man. Daddy. Boy, watch the place. Yeah, man.
I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some bullshit shit is stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
Me never bring you over here for do this. Why nobody not listen to me when me talk to you?
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
So Tensia, me I try explain to her. Say me want have sex all the time, right? Every single day. But just want squeeze a party to them. But she say she can't do that all the time. You know me I try to say to you, Tensia.
Yeah, because you want to look somebody for breed and me not breed.
But I want to give her that. I don't waste money in a Tensia. Me I gotta take care of my picnic when me have with her. And I love her, you see.
First of all, love can't buy nothing. You can't bring love to a supermarket and pick up something. No.
That's what I try to tell him. I want to give my career first. Because I'll be one doctor.
Alright, the two of not think about this way too much, alright? Him want sex and she want, let me think it. Only can balance this out. Just frig, use birth control, and that's it. You know what I say? But at the same time, if you don't give him what him want, him will cheat by you. So you have to go give him some sex sometime. When you study, just make him give you some fuck. Simple, not that hard.
But then say, I'll concentrate when we have sex and me try study. That don't make the sense. I have to study.
Why only young people of God like said these simple things is so hard? Just read your book while you remote your hole.
The boys just, me don't know, I'm standing my just sleep. Every minute they say, me will do it in the morning and the evening and night. And then he might wake up early in the morning next day and also.
Not my fault your pum pum sweet me.
Creamer, as a good old girl, you can't help that. Man, love we good old girl. Why think me get so much young boy? Cause me was still good.
See, she understand.
Alright, well, a compromise. 4 times. As in morning, noon, night, morning, next day. Well, not in the evening and the next day, alright? How about we just do it 4 times a week.
But me and you for work, this no make no sense.
But wait, they all not do it so much if the two are on work. Explain this to me.
Because my boy, when he go on his lunch break, then come on my work, and we have a quickie in the bathroom.
What? I say about Sebastian? No, sir.
Me I tell you say about 7 people me I go give her a watch.
I'm sorry for interrupt on a very slack conversation, but Grandma, you have to go to JPS.
Go and go phone in the guest room. Hey, Karima one broke him out.
Oh no, for real right now? Oh my god. Grandma, you can't behave yourself. Why for talk these things?
Move your backside, boy. You there act like say you're a virgin. And we are try fool, eh? Me see that look sexy Rasta boy there with boy.
Grandma, I already told you him gone back to Canada.
No wonder you're so tense. Because you not get nobody. You have to go look one next man. This not gonna work.
Grandma, I don't want an next man. I'm alright with Junior, okay?
You see, you move like an idiot. We Hopkins, we have to fuck. If we no fuck, we are go mad. Remember that, you know. Use your head. Oh, I'm telling you, take me to know where you look a boyfriend family. Anthony's son that, right? Boy, that boy that Anthony can't fuck. How me fuck him too?
You had sex with Anthony?
Oh, you mean? Look for a win. Me say the boy all good. Why you take him off so much baby mother? Because it's addicting. That's why I know you're obsessed with him son, but you have to go let that go, you know, because me I tell you say him I gotta have a next girl before time. Because two of you don't live in the same country. That shit never gonna work out there now. Left the boy and go find your next man unless you want to go back to Canada.
Grandma, this isn't about me, okay? We need to go to JPS and pay a light bill. You can't sit down in the dark. Like, you realize light is gone, right?
I tell you already said Tally can't go pay the light. I'ma ask him to pay the light. I'ma ask him to pay the water. The water run, right? Why you always a go like say me slow me not in a sense there now? Me might older than you, but that might not forever young.
But Tali has been gone for a while now. You sure him alright? Did you text him and see what's going on with him?
Of course me text him. You know, say me I'm really sick and tired of you there now. I love you, you know, you're my favorite grandpitney, but come man, you need to stop now. You do the most. Me know me text you. Me text him. Me text him last week, Friday.
Grandma, if you text him last week Friday, that means you're supposed to have light. Grandma, I don't think you text Tali. Let me check your phone.
No, leave me alone. You know what? Go on to your yard. Go on to your freaking yard, alright? You get on my nerves. Me no want to stay here. Go on.
You know what? Fine. Tell them to they say me I leave.
You stay just like a dirty pooper. Every minute him come here chat to me, I'm tell him to leave and him now leave. The one I same thing. When you think say I'm mad, I wanna mad, me not mad.
What do you mean Octavia won't talk to me? I don't want to talk to her. I don't care. I don't care. She can't go on. Tell her I'm not interested. Junior, listen to me. I don't want to talk to her. I don't care if she changed. You remember everything she put me through? Well, you can feel that way. You know what? I'm sick and tired of everybody in my family right now. I am not in the mood and I don't want to talk to anybody, okay? I'm tired. I can't trust any of them. Whatever. Okay. Be vexed then, Junior.
So it takes so long to come over here if I when I call you.
I'm so sorry, babes. My girlfriend did not keep me.
I don't sick girl eh?
She bad mind your fuck.
You know have to tell me. She call my phone and talk about me if you stay away from her man.
You wait till her. You run me, girl. You understand some love you know. And you have to ever good.
Say that again for me.
You have to ever good.
Tight one. Tell me
Tight
again.
hole.
Say it to me slow.
No, I feel like I'm gonna leave her, you know. Cause her whole loose, yes, man. Loose, bad.
Are you got there with community mattress? Me tell you, say the girl full of money.
That's why I'm glad I find you. You're my baby. I'm in love with the tendency. I'm a dream woman.
Yeah, idiot. What do you mean, love? A sex more from you, nothing else. When I believe in them love thing, then I'm boy, you good and I like it.
But me, this whole thing say me either gonna be something serious. From the day I meet at the hotel, I just fall in love with.
Go under the water and make me happy.
Alright, Tench, anything you say?